Champ Barbecuers. Today, we're doing up some St. Louis ribs on the Weber Kettle 26 with this new badass heat deflector from Greg over at the Woodshed. Oh, thank you, brother. Badass and oil, yeah. These were 4.5 pound ribs. I trimmed them up so they're about 4 pounds. We're using Uncle Steve's Shake, the cow powder, tagged up with smoke bomb. Oh, hell yes. We have that granulated rub, that shake that is, and some smoke bomb for that color and the flavor. Together is the bomb. Oh, hell yeah. Check this out.
Give me a hell yeah! I said give me a hell yeah!
So these ribs are going amazing. The sun is out, which is amazing. Holy unusual. It is cold out still, but it's sunny. Oh, hell yeah. It's almost March. Almost March. Let's take a peek. 2 hours in. What? 2 hours in? We're floating. Well, I just opened the lid, but it was about 290 to 300 floating around there. 2 hours. Wow. There's no rib, or there's no wrap, there's no spritz. Just damn. I was gonna cook at about 275 for 4 hours, I thought. And I can't not keep that thing below 300 for the life of me. We're using Royal Oak wood lump. Oh hell yeah, my favorite. And hey, smells delicious. I did not cover or put a drip pan in there, nothing. That heat deflector plate, I want that sucker to get seasoned up with whatever grease that we can pour on it. It will clean it up. I hit it with some olive oil just prior to the cook, and we don't want no rust, but I want this to get saturated with a little bit of pork fat. Oh hell yeah. Cheers, folks. Oh hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah.
Damn straight. So what's everybody's plans this year? New cookers, new cooking areas. What's your plans? Comment down below. I got some ideas for myself, and I think, man, looking at some new products. So I could not keep this kettle down below 300. It was 310, and in less than 2.5 hours, these ribs are done. I gotta pull them off and let them rest. Oh hell yeah. The smell on them guys, oh hell yeah. Let's get some foil over them, tent that guy, oh hell yeah. Now this Uncle Steve's combo, let me tell you what, rocked on ribeye. We're gonna see how it rocks on some pork ribs. Pork combination killer, maybe. Oh hell yeah. Gonna be the best, I hope. We're gonna find out in about 20 minutes. These ribs have been resting for 20 minutes. Oh hell yeah. Boom. Let's get the reveal on these guys. Bada bing, bada boom. So she cooked a little quick, clearly. A little bit of a smoke ring. I can't believe how fast that cooked. It's juicy. Let's get a bite. Oh hell yeah. God dang.
I said give me a hell yeah.
That's one of the best combinations. Now we're trying it on pork, and it is killing it. My Uncle Steve's shake, cow powder, and smoke bomb is killing it. Link is down below. Go get yourself some. Make your life that much better. Damn. Go get yourself this combination. Link is in the description. You will not be disappointed. Oh, hell yeah. And with that, cheers.